finally making it for Riro. This is my pomo, goat meat, cow food, and then this is dry fish, stock fish, and I have my peppers here. I have my onions. I'm about to cook now, you guys. So what I did with these spinach leaves, I bought it for, it's over 4 days now. I just put them in my freezer because I knew I wasn't going to use it. So I brought it out like about 30 minutes ago. So I'm going to pour hot water in them and wash it off and then use it to cook. Meanwhile, Obi is here helping me out and he's so hungry. Obi, say hi, guys. Obi is so hungry. Oh my goodness, the aroma is just everywhere, like everywhere. I can't wait to eat this. I'll cover this and allow it to cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes. And soup is ready, guys.
Come on, again.
Come for the size.
9 to 27.
Oh, come on, carry good. Let's how you carry my baby. Come on, yeah. You're gonna put your legs.
That's not for sports.
Okay.
This one, we have food. Honestly. So much about it, good. She feel okay.
What of okay? What about Eagle Care? Schools, no white. We'll just focus on the school. Come on, yeah. You're gonna try one of these. So you look for 10 for her. What? Yeah, put your leg inside your shoe. Obi wants to help. Obi wants to help you. Come on, easy. Ngwani, Obi is helping you, baby. You're not even looking at the person that is helping you. Help him to help you. What is it, Kama? Like what?
I did took it.
Come the other side. Does it hurt? I'm sorry. Obi, now come and brush. That's okay, that's okay. Hello guys, good morning guys, and welcome back. So guys, today is Thursday. No, don't brush me, I'm good, I'm good.
No, you don't.
No, Kaima, I'm good. So today is Thursday, and yeah, the other day I went to the supermarket to Asda, and we went to buy some sportswear for Kaima. Thursdays are Kaima sportswear, sports day. Sorry guys, Thursdays are Kaima sports day, and they are starting today. So we got this beautiful. Come and show guys what you're wearing.
Okay.
So we got this beautiful outfit. Wait, let me show you guys the shoe. The shoe is so cute. Like, her shoe is so cute. Okay, let guys see your shoe, baby. Okay, so yeah, we got this pink canvas for her.
Because we couldn't find anyone that was my size that was white.
Yeah, we couldn't find anyone that was white, so we got that for her. And then we also got this tracksuit. We got this tracksuit, and this has a trouser. But Kaima this morning she was like, "Mommy, I don't want to wear." Like, she doesn't want to wear the track, you know. That she wants to wear that leggings. Cause now wait. My initial plans was for her to wear the leggings, but her dad said it's better she just goes with the tracksuit. So we also bought the tracksuit. Then I just tried to pick some things so that she can have. I also got these leggings for her, these joggers for her workout. It's 2 inside. So my idea is that she can always change. Come on, thank you, I'm okay. She can always change. I got these leggings. This came with a top. I got these leggings. It's so cute. It's so cute. It came with this top. It came with this top. So I just got this so that, you know, she will have enough things to wear, because I'm not about buying any other thing for her workouts on Thursdays anymore until I think the next section. Then this is, she has an inner wear there. This is part of it. What else have I not showed you guys? Yeah. I bought pom-poms for her.
I haven't showed them this.
Which one? I've showed them that. So that's just about it, guys. It's 8:34 right now, and we have to start leaving because Obi loves to walk when we are, you know, going to school. So I like leaving early. Come and stop, baby. I'm good. I'm good. Obi, you say good morning.
Your hair's so beautiful.
I hope.
And guys, one day we saw his friend on the way to my school. Of his preschool friend that was wearing glass.
Yeah. Obi's preschool friend. Obi went to preschool like just two times, and the money was just too much, you guys. I just told myself that I'm staying at home. I can't pay this money. Like, I can't pay £50 a day for him. It's too much. How long? How many? Like £50 in a month. If I paid one day in a week, and then I pay like 4 times in a month, that's about £200. It's too much. So he went 2 days, and I just had to stop him. I told my husband that we can't really do this because right now I'm still at home. I was thinking then that I might, you know, get a job and all that. But yeah, Emma, let's go. If I say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Emma, you haven't said bye to guys.
Bye, guys. Do you like my mom's hair? Her hair goes back.
Oh yeah, let's go. Hello guys, you guys, I'm so tired and I'm hungry. I'm about to eat now. I'm eating a Riro soup, the one I made yesterday. I'm having it with rice. I think a Riro is really nice with rice. That's what I really think. If you're Yoruba, tell me, how do you think? What do you think about a Riro with rice? I honestly think it's so nice, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be having it with rice right now. I'm so hungry. It's some minutes to 1 o'clock. This is 12:52, and I got back to this house with Obi at exactly 12 o'clock. You guys, I walked, like, I used this my 2 legs to walk on the streets of Bristol today for good almost 4 hours, because I remember I left my house at 8:30, dropped off Kaima in school at 9, and then from Kaima school I started looking for where I was going to. Meanwhile, on Google Map, I was supposed to get to, you know, where I was going to go view the house. I was supposed to get there at 15 minutes. So I thought it was something that I could just, you know, walk from Kaima school to. But then, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Like, the Google Map took me to, you know, it didn't really take me straight. Like, it took me through some other streets, and then my journey was extended to almost 40 minutes. Almost 40 minutes walk. The lady that I was waiting for even had to call me. She had to call me, and I told her I was coming. I got there at 10 o'clock dot, and this place is so in, like, so inside of Bristol. If I had known it was there, inside of where we live, like my area, if I had known it was there, I would have just called a cab. So now I already have an appointment at 10:30, and I was at this place at 10 o'clock, viewed the house. The house is beautiful, the house is okay, but to be honest, like, the garden is just nothing. It's not what we're looking for, because we have children and we're considering our children when we are, you know, looking for help. So I didn't really like, I love the house. The house is okay. Like, I love the house. I love the bath. I love their rooms. 2 rooms are so big, and then the 3rd room is a bit small, which is not bad. I love the house, but I just didn't like the garden. So I spoke to the lady about the garden, that was just, you know, what I didn't like. So I was supposed to go out to view another house at 10:30. Man, I knew that if I leave that house at 10 o'clock, I left that house at, I think I just spent 10 minutes in that house, 10:10. I knew that by the time I call a cab, and the cab will now meet me where I was, I just knew that there was no way I was going to make the appointment at 10:30. So I had to call them and tell them that I'm sorry, I can't really make the appointment. And they were like, oh, I have to call their office to rebook for another viewing. And I said, okay. And at that time, I was already, like, tired. Like, I had been walking. I was already tired. And you guys, the thing with me is that because I'm pregnant, I walk and break, walk and stop, walk and, you know, wait for a while. I don't really walk the way I would have walked very fast and smart if I wasn't pregnant. So I just couldn't view the second house. And meanwhile, the second house is far from where we stay. So I just said, no, I'm not going to do that today. Like, I'm not about to come and start, you know, walking around the whole of Bristol. So now, getting back to my house, I had to stop at the center. I was just tired. Me and Obi, we had to enter Cravings. I bought snacks for myself, bought for Obi, bought a drink. I had that, and then we quietly started walking back to the house, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's not easy. And the thing with this place is that the buses from where I went to would have taken me straight to the city center, and then from the city center I'll find another bus that will take me home. So there's just no point. I felt like the best thing was just to, you know, walk and come back home. So I had to walk and come back home. I've made my rice. I've made watermelon juice, which I love so much. I love watermelon juice so much. And I'm just going to eat, and I'm going to end this vlog. If you have watched till this point, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Be a part of my family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you for all your support. And you guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Meanwhile, come and join me eat. Let's eat together.